Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at dollar yen as price has recently broken above 114 and looks to be climbing. So why is dollar yen rallying? Well, we're actually seeing an increase in the price of the US 10-year bond yields, and you can see that here reflected by this green line. The price of the bond yields are climbing. They're up 3.2% today, and so is dollar yen. Now, looking at this chart here, we've compared dollar yen to the US 10-year, and you can see that you typically see a familiar price pattern. There's only a couple of times where really they have kind of moved against each other, but pretty much the whole year they've been in line. You can see that when we started to see the rally through January of dollar yen, 10-year yields were sort of the ones that was pushing that price higher. We then started to see 10-year decline. We had a little decline through here, and then as there was a bit of disparity between sort of May and July, we got back on track through July, August, September, and you can see the familiar sort of range bound price in there. Ever since October, though, they've been following each other very closely, and it looks like we could start to see a similar thing again. You can see they're kind of pull back here and move on dollar yen, pull back here and move on the 10-year bond yield. So if they continue to rise, then the dollar yen price could also continue to rise. And if we look at the dollar yen, where could price go to? Now, if we look at the weekly time frame, price is in a strong upward trend. We're moving to the upside. We've spoken about yen in depth recently on our Forex week ahead analysis videos. We've talked about the fact that the yen could be strengthening in the short term, but again, only against those weaker currencies. The dollar is one of those that is just not a weak currency at the moment. The data out of the US continues to be good. GDP data looks to be positive as well. And we've also just had the announcement that the Fed chairman is going to remain to be Jerome Powell. So we could start to see some rise in those bond yields. Looking at this market on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that price has broken out of these structure highs here, broken above this key 114 level and heading towards 115. Now, 115 is going to be pretty important. If we can trade above 115, I think there could be a lot of upside to the dollar yen price at the moment. So it'd be really interesting to see what happens here for the price of dollar yen, whether we are going to see that continued move to the upside or not. What I'll be looking for is if we did get a pullback to 114.36 and those bond yields were still rising, we could look for some long opportunities back to these swing highs and beyond it. So keep an eye on dollar yen. Definitely one to watch in the short term if those bond yields continue to rise. So have a little look at this one. Thanks for watching this video update. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the YouTube channel to see some more of our Forex content, and I'll speak to you very soon.